how to upgrade Royal Pass on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to upgrade Royal Pass on PUBG. Upgrading Royal Pass on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile, launch the game and ensure you are logged in. Go to the Royal Pass section. From the main menu, tap on the Royal Pass banner usually located on the right side of the screen or at the top. Select Upgrade option. Once in the Royal Pass menu, you will see two upgrade options. Elite Pass. The cost 600 UC in-game currency and gives you access to premium rewards. Elite Pass Plus. This costs 1800 UC, unlocking more rewards and advancing your Royal Pass by 12 to 25 rank instantly. Purchase UC if needed. If you don't have enough UC, tap on the UC icon and purchase the amount needed using real money. Confirm the purchase. Once you have enough UC, select your preferred upgrade option, Elite Pass or Elite Pass Plus. Then confirm the purchase. And here you go, that's how you can upgrade Royal Pass on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.